The cold, hard truth about PPC ads. Let me ask you something. Would you take a stack of $100 bills, walk up to the nearest dumpster, and set them on fire? No. Then why the hell are you doing the exact same thing with your Google ads, Facebook ads, and Bing ads? Because unless you're running PPC campaigns perfectly, you're wasting 50 to 90% of your ad spend, feeding Google's empire while your sales numbers look like a flat line on a heart monitor. But don't worry. I'm about to show you 15 PPC mistakes that are quietly bleeding you dry, and more importantly, how to fix them before another dollar goes up in smoke. Oh, and if you don't want to keep making these mistakes, I've put together a full step-by-step guide with solutions for each one. Grab it in the description box below before it's too late. Now, let's get into it. 15 PPC mistakes that are costing you a fortune and how to fix them. 1. Sending traffic to your homepage, a guaranteed way to lose money. Your homepage is not a salesperson. It's a waiting room. People land there, wander around aimlessly, and leave without buying anything. Fix it. Send traffic to a landing page or sales funnel with one clear call to action. 2. Not tracking who visits your site. 98% of visitors just vanish. Imagine owning a store where 98 out of 100 customers walk in, browse for a few minutes, and disappear forever without you even knowing who they were. That's exactly what happens when you don't track visitors. Fix it. Use traffic ID software to capture visitor data and follow up before they forget you exist. 3. Ignoring retargeting ads, letting warm leads go cold. Most people don't buy on the first visit. They need to see your offer multiple times before they take action. But if you're not running retargeting ads, you're just letting them slip away. Fix it. Run retargeting ads on Facebook and Google to follow up with past visitors. 4. Targeting broad, generic keywords, traffic that never converts. If you're bidding on keywords like marketing services or real estate agent, congratulations, you're paying for clicks from people who have no intention of buying from you. Fix it. Target buyer intent keywords like best real estate agent in city or marketing agency for coaches. 5. Not using negative keywords, paying for useless clicks. If you're not filtering out bad traffic, your ads will show up for irrelevant searches. Fix it. Add negative keywords like free, cheap, or unrelated terms so you don't pay for useless clicks. 6. Writing boring, generic ad copy. Your competitors are winning this battle. If your ad copy says best digital marketing services, call now. I promise you, you're getting ignored. Fix it. Write ads that are specific, benefit-driven, and emotionally compelling. Example, struggling to get leads? Try this proven 3-step system. Free guide. 7. Not testing multiple ad variations. One ad won't save you. If you're running one ad and praying it works, you're setting yourself up for failure. Fix it. A/B test different headlines, images, and offers to see what converts best. 8. Ignoring mobile optimization. 60% of traffic comes from phones. If your landing page loads like a snail or looks like a broken puzzle on mobile, people are bouncing faster than a bad check. Fix it. Make sure your site loads fast, is mobile friendly, and has an easy-to-click call to action. 9. Not knowing your cost. Per lead. Shooting in the dark. If you don't know how much you're paying per lead or per sale, how the hell do you expect to make a profit? Fix it. Track your CPL, cost per lead, and CPA, cost per acquisition, so you can scale what works and cut what doesn't. Targeting the wrong audience. Talking to the wrong people. If you're showing ads to random people who have zero interest in your product, you might as well be throwing money out the window. Fix it. Dial in your targeting. Use custom audiences, look-alike audiences, and detailed targeting filters. 11. Poor call to action. No one knows what to do next. Your ad gets clicks. People land on your page. Then what? If your CTA is weak or missing, they're leaving without buying. Fix it. Use one clear action-driven CTA like download now, claim your free trial, get instant access. 12. Not leveraging scarcity and urgency. People need a reason to act now. If people think they can come back later, they won't come back at all. Fix it. Use limited time offers or only X spots left messaging to drive action. 13. Paying for clicks that never turn into leads. No lead capture. If your ad doesn't collect an email, phone number, or some way to follow up, you're burning money. Fix it. Offer a lead magnet, free guide, webinar, discount in exchange for an email or phone number. 14. Not using a high converting sales funnel instead of a static website. Your website doesn't sell. A well built sales funnel does. Fix it. Send traffic to a high converting funnel like a ClickFunnels page with a clear sales process. 15. Not taking action. You'll keep losing money until you fix this. If you keep doing what you've been doing, you'll keep losing money on PPC. Fix it right now. Get the full guide in the description and start fixing these mistakes today. Now that you know exactly why your PPC ads are draining your wallet, you have two choices. Ignore this and keep wasting money. Fix these mistakes and start making PPC profitable. I've put together a step-by-step guide with full solutions. Grab it in the description now. Don't wait. Every day you don't fix this, you're losing money. Click the link below, get the guide, and start turning ad spend into profit.